Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to find the greatest common factor of two numbers. Okay, as an example, let's use the numbers 450 and 5750. Now, to find the greatest common factor of both these numbers, we need to break them down into their prime factors first. So, what are the prime factors of 450? Well, 450 is the same as 10 times 45. 10 is the same as 2 times 5. 2 and 5 are primes. And 45 is the same as 5 times 9. And 9 is the same as 3 times 3. So the prime factors of 450 are 2, 3, 3, 5 and 5. Okay, now what are the prime factors of 5750? Well, this is the same as 10 times 575. 10 is the same as 2 times 5, and 575 is the same as 23 times 25, but 25 is the same as 5 times 5. So the prime factors of 5750 are, we've got 2, 5, 5 and 5, and we've also got 23. Okay? Now, to get the greatest common factor of these two numbers, we need to create a Venn diagram like this, okay? And the circle to the left is going to represent the prime factors of 450, and the circle to the right is going to represent the prime factors of 5750. Now, what prime factors do these two numbers share in common? Well, as we can see, there's a 2. We've also got a 5 over here, and we've got a 5 over here. We've got a 5 over here, and we've got a 5 over here. So what we have to do is put these numbers into the intersection of these two circles. So we've got 2, 5 and 5 over here. Now the other prime factors of 450 are 3 and 3, and the other prime factors of 5750 are 5 and 23. Now with this Venn diagram here, unlike with finding the lowest common multiple of two numbers, you don't need to multiply everything within these two circles. You only need to multiply the numbers within the intersection over here. So the greatest common factor of these two numbers is going to be 2 times 5 times 5, and that gives us 50. If you're not satisfied with your result, you can always check out desmos.com and put in GCF and the two numbers that you're working with. So in this case, 450 and 5750. Okay, and as you can see, it gives us the result 50. So we know we're correct. If you have any questions related to this video, leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to find the lowest common multiple of two numbers, just click the link to my previous video below this video. For more maths content, visit mathematics.proofs on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video and see you next time.